morning, everybody. Sunita here. I want to wish you a beautiful day, and if you're into it, I want to do a little ukulele meditation. So if you want, close your eyes, take a deep breath into the nose, and breathe out through the mouth. Breathe into the nose, out through the mouth. Last time, into the nose, out through the mouth. And let go all of the tension you still have in your body, maybe in your head, thoughts, worries, or whatever is there that is not serving you for this moment. And just be aware of where your breath is in your body. All is fine. And see if you then can get the focus and the attention into your heart. Like breathing to your heart and from your heart. And feel how your heart, your beautiful space, is opening for you. The more you breathe and deepen into your heart, the more it opens. And I want you to feel and see all the things that you are grateful for in your life. Breathe them deeper into you. The things you are grateful for. Fill your body with all this love and say thank you for the things in your life. Often we forget what we already have around us and in us. Be blessed, feel blessed. Thank life for what you already have inside of you and around you. Feel the light that it's shining in you, coming through you from source. Breathe it in and let tension going out. And then lay your hands over your heart. Feel how much love there is for you, from yourself towards you, and from the universe, from life. Give a smile upon your face and say thanks. Be so grateful for all there is, for the breath that you have today, for this new morning, for this new day. And how can you make this day the best one for yourself? For yourself and others. But first of all, for yourself. Breathe in and out. Breathe the love in for yourself and the world. And spread the love out through your breath out. Breathe in and out. 2 times. Breathe in and out. In all the life, all the love, all your being. Breathe it in. The gratitude, all the things you're grateful for, and breathe all the things that not serve you out. Feel now who you are, how you're feeling deep in you. Feel the warmth of your heart, the openness, and just listen to the melody. The melody of this ukulele, the melody of your life, the melody of your heart, the song that is in you, all your potential, which you can bring out today for yourself in love, for the world around you. Just know that you are perfect the way you are. I wish you a beautiful day with lots of love, full of relaxation, and all the things that pass by that are challenging. Breathe into your heart, feel the love, see the lesson, breathe the tension out, be in the moment, be aware of the moment now, the presence. Be aware of you, beautiful soul. Breathe life in and breathe out whatever is not serving you. Again, a beautiful day, and I hope to see you in the Ukelele Mastery membership, where we also start with a little meditation before we go into learn different mantras that serves you and the world. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the love, all the best. See you soon. Bye bye.